Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into a tool that is totally changing the game for how businesses look at their own information. The big question is, what exactly is Power BI? Well, let's get into it.
So let me start by asking you something. Does your company, your team, your organization, does it feel like you're just drowning in data? If you're not in your head right now, trust me, you are not alone.
You know, the reality for most of us is that our data is just scattered all over the place. You got sales numbers sitting in some Excel files, customer information over in a database, web traffic coming from Google Analytics. It's all there, sure, but it's completely disconnected. It's a mess. And trying to make sense of it all, it can feel pretty much impossible.
And that right there is what we call the data overload problem. It's this huge challenge where the very thing that should be your biggest asset, your data, ends up being just a source of confusion. But what if there was a way to navigate all that chaos? What if you had something like a GPS for your business? Well, that's exactly where Power BI comes in. Seriously, think of it as Google Maps, but for your data.
So what is it? At its heart, Power BI is a platform from Microsoft that does one thing incredibly well. It grabs all that raw, messy data from all those different places and magically transforms it into clear, interactive visuals that you can actually understand and use.
And that Google Maps analogy, it is spot on. Just like Google Maps tells you where you are right now and shows you the best way to get to your destination, Power BI shows you exactly where your business is today and helps you figure out the smartest path forward. It's all about making better decisions, backed by real data. Okay, so how does it actually pull this off? Let's follow the data on its journey, all the way from being a jumbled mess to becoming a powerful, clear insight. The whole thing really boils down to this 5-step pipeline. First, you connect to all your data sources. Then you clean it all up. After that, you model it so it makes sense together, you visualize it to see the story, and finally, you share it with your team. Let's take a quick look at each one. All right, step 1 is all about getting your data into one place. And honestly, this is where Power BI really shines. It can connect to hundreds of different sources. We're talking everything from a simple Excel file on your desktop to massive cloud databases and even live data from websites. It just pulls it all together.
Now, let's be real. Raw data is almost always messy, and that's why step 2 is so crucial. Using a tool called Power Query, you can clean everything up. You can get rid of duplicates, filter out stuff you don't need, and merge tables together. This is where you fix all the little annoying things, so NY and New York are actually counted as the same place. This is where the magic really starts to happen.
So once your data is all clean and tidy, you have to teach Power BI how all the different pieces fit together. For instance, you tell it how your customers table connects to your orders table. It's this simple step, creating these relationships, that lets you ask the really powerful questions, like, show me what my top customers bought last quarter.
And finally, we get to the really good part, the payoff. This is where you turn all that prepped data into beautiful, easy-to-read charts, maps, and dashboards. You build these interactive reports, publish them online, and then your whole team can see them, right on their computers or even on their phones, with the latest data anytime they want.
So we've covered the how, but now it's time for the wow. Let's actually look at Power BI in action and see why it is such a complete game changer.
I mean, the difference here is just night and day, right? Old school reports are static, they're lifeless, they have to be updated by hand, and they're usually just giant spreadsheets that are a pain to read. Power BI is the exact opposite. It's live, it's dynamic, the data can refresh all by itself, and you can actually click on things and drill down to find answers. But this might be one of the absolute coolest things about it. You don't have to be a tech genius or know how to code to get answers. Power BI has this incredible feature where you can just ask it questions in plain English.
For example, you could literally just type in "show total sales by region," and boom! Power BI understands what you're asking and instantly gives you the perfect chart or map to answer that question. It's just so intuitive.
So what does all this add up to? Well, it completely changes the speed at which you can make decisions. With the old way, you're usually looking at data from last week, maybe even last month. You're driving by looking in the rearview mirror. With Power BI, you're looking at live data. You're making decisions based on what's happening right now. And this brings us to the ultimate point. It gives you a massive advantage when it comes to making smart, fast decisions. So let's quickly wrap up with why this really matters. So what are the big takeaways? First off, it's surprisingly easy to pick up, especially if you already know your way around Excel. It gives you live, real-time insights.
It's actually pretty affordable compared to a lot of other tools out there. It works perfectly with all the other Microsoft products, and it can scale, whether you're a one-person team or a massive global company.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. Every single business has data, and hidden inside all that data are stories. Stories about your customers, about your blind spots, and about your next huge opportunity. The only question is, what story is your data waiting to tell?